Hi there, I'm here with the Nespresso Creatista Plus from Breville. This is one of their newest coffee machines that they just came out with. And you can make a wide range of different drinks. There's cafe latte, cappuccino, latte macchiato, regular coffee. You can just steam milk. There's a huge range of options. And for each drink, you have so many different customizations, such as your froth level, your milk temperature, etc. It has a separate milk jug, so your milk will be steamed and frothed here, and your coffee will come out here. And then you have the option to use the jug to add to your coffee, so you can do different kinds of milk designs, etc., like they do at different coffee places. Myself, I'm not very good at it, so I'm not going to try it, but I'm going to give you a little view of the coffee that I'm going to make. And I'm going to make a cafe latte, and in here I have some sugar-free vanilla bean syrup, and in here I have cashew milk. So you don't have to have cow's milk, but if you are wanting to make designs or have a more flavorful coffee, you would use something like a whole milk, or well, actually anytime you want, but the thicker the milk, the better it is for designs. So I'm using a decaf. So I have cafe latte picked, and everything is already saved from all my settings that I prefer. So I'm not going to change it. I'm going to press start. So the coffee, it is awful loud. That's one downside to it. I find it to be really loud compared to any other machine that I've used. And now I'm going to press start for the milk to be steamed and frothed. So even though it was a cashew milk, it still does a good job at frothing. So, hold on a second. As soon as I put this lever down, it's going to rinse itself out and clean it. You just have to wipe down the So I'm going to put my milk into my drink. So there you have it. I still have lots of milk left over. I made a little bit too much, but it makes a very tasty drink. And it's a great addition to every kitchen. It looks beautiful. There you go.
Here's the Nespresso machine that I bought this past Christmas. The problem we're having is that the bottom little, the shelf pops open. Great. This won't open at all. It just goes in and will not come out. And so either you have to take a knife and force it out from the inside, or you have to try to nudge it out using a knife here, which I expect better from Nespresso. I don't know what to do about it, but I'm afraid one day we're going to break it.